Soon, anyone under age 18 will not be able to buy over-the-counter cough medicine like, say, NyQuil or Robitussin. KMAX Nicolette Perdomo is here now with more about the safety concerns associated with these medicines that parents should know about.
Brian, kids are using these products because in large doses, the ingredient can get you high, which is why experts say if you already have them in your cabinets, you should try to lock them up to prevent younger children from taking them for recreational purposes. A Texas House bill prevents minors from buying products that have dextromethorphan or DM on the label.
Teenagers like to call it robo-tripping. It's drinking too much Robitussin, things with dextromethorphan in it. They're going to ingest drugs and absorb drugs differently than an adult would, so in that case the symptoms can be more severe.
Chris Hobart with Clarks Hub City Pharmacy says they'll start to keep these medicines behind the counter.
California, Florida, and Texas have had an increase in dextromethorphan overdoses and hospital visits.
Some of the side effects include sweating, rapid heartbeat, or dilated pupils.
When people abuse this medication, are hallucinations, possible agitation, possibly leading up to coma. Sometimes there can even be death involved if there's too much ingested.
He says taking any more of it than what's printed on the label is too much.
The idea here is to limit the access to it and therefore limit the amount of possible hospitalizations and things like that, and adverse effects that can happen when you ingest this medicine for recreational activities.
Minors still can't buy cough suppressants that don't have DM on the label, like cough drops, for example. The law will take effect in September.